Well, we had one little mishap so far. I lost my canteen, but I took us back in the right direction. And Andy wanted to go one way, and I wanted the other, and I went the right way, so I found it.
That'll happen.
But this is home for today. Digging the shitter.
That's not a shitter.
Nope.
That's probably.
Two sticks, I rubbed them together for 35 minutes to get fire. I'm all that is man.
It's a pretty good one. No accelerants. Real men don't need those.
Actually a pretty good fire.
It's a beautiful fire.
Yeah, look what I created. These fucking fritters though, I swear to God. It's actually extremely warm.